There are cars already known for its class. Their appearances alone speaks volume of luxury. They outshine others wherever they are noticed. They are less expensive than its classy outlooks. And there is no other cars in this regard other than the Mercedes-Benz series, especially with the new designs of the new millennium models, from S-Class, C-Class, E-Class, including the AMG models. Trust me, your super big boy is never complete if you have none of the Mercedes-Benz models or series aforementioned in your garage. I am Ida Shaibu and you are on to the best rated automobile TV show, Auto Expert, your guide to safety. Stick with me, I'll be right back. Welcome back. In case you're just joining us, this is Auto Expert. We are detailed in repair, maintenance, car review, luxury, and auto insurance. Our emphasis today will be on luxury, and we shall be considering the Mercedes-Benz cars in terms of design, engine performance, classy outcome, fuel economy, and its associated or likelihood fault. Meanwhile, Mercedes is best known for providing the world with a selection of high and luxury sedans. It is also accepted and widely known to be a top contender of motorsports. Let's check out some of its new millennium collection and their exotic classy looks, including their aesthetics. Wow, isn't that interesting? In fact, good life requires a good brand of Mercedes-Benz in your garages. I am right seated in the ML350 Formatic 2012 model from the ML class. It's very roomy with modern high-tech. One of the things that I'm fascinated by in this particular vehicle is the design of the roof, especially the roof cover. It has this air vent design. If you don't want too much light coming into the room, this is actually the perfect design for this vehicle. Another thing that amazes me in this vehicle is the headset. Just look at that with the Mercedes-Benz logo. So use this headset if you do not want to distract the driver and you want to have your movie all to yourself. You can just put this on and voila! Everything you're watching is exclusive to you. And of course, it is enjoyable when you're at the back watching from the DVD. Yes, this vehicle has a DVD at the back, and of course it uses this remote to control it. So if I'm at the driver's seat and I want to control the DVD from the back, all I have to do is control it from this remote. Isn't that just amazing, guys? In case you're confused on the differences between the ML350 and the ML350 Formatic, well, based off of my research on Google, the ML350 Formatic uses a 3.5 liter V6 rated at 302 horsepower, while the ML350 Bluetech has a 3.0 liter turbocharged V6 that was rated at 240 horsepower. All ML class models use a 7-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. The M class is definitely a luxury and exotic car brand. Wow, it's been indeed a stressful but interesting day, to be candid. We were almost cut short by the drizzling of the rain, but of course, the show must go on. I hope you're now convinced that the Mercedes-Benz is a must-have classy addition to your car garage if truly you want to claim that big boy or big girl status. Well, this is how we wrap it up on today's edition of Auto Expert, your guide to safety. Do not forget to follow us on all our social media platforms: Instagram at Auto Expert, Facebook at Auto Expert. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Auto Expert TV. Keep watching Auto Expert. It is your guide to safety. Sign out.